most of the people who wants to enter into the stock market, or the persons who wants to make their living through the stock market, has a lots of myths. But the most common myth is the person who wants to enter should know the each and everything or the element that is present in the stock market, and thereby executing those things in the market, and they should book profits. But it's a completely a wrong perception, because if you know each and everything that is present in the stock market, then you don't know when, where and why to apply those things in the market. And if you do like this, you may even don't book even profits, but even you may book losses. It may be huge. But by learning a few things in the stock market and by implementing those things in the best possible way you can, it is more than enough. Like for example, if you are an investor, you just need to learn the fundamentals of a stock and analyze it for the long term perspective, and you just put in your money in the market. But if you are a day trader, you just need to learn technical analysis, like the popular chart patterns, the popular technical indicators and the tools that are used, and by using those things in the combination and trying and testing in your own perspective, you can book a solid profits. With this, I hope I had cleared one of the most common myth for the persons who wants to enter into the stock market. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, as I am going to make the most important videos on my YouTube channel about stock market on every weekend at around 5 p.m. So make sure you don't miss any of those. And thanks for watching the video.